Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO Pad Air and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see the silent mode switcher. Just to activate or turn off the silent mode, we should tap on the switcher. Also, we can make it by the second way, just to move ringtone volume panel, and now we can see that the silent mode is activated. To turn it off, and move ringtone volume panel, and that's it. Also get this third way how we can do that. Just open the control panel and you will see here silent mode icon. Just click on this icon to activate or to turn off silent mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.